Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring another original knot. This is the Fall Bliss knot. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. I'm going to come over. I'm going to put in a dimple like this. And I'm going to come over to the center like this. We will not be using the wreath in this knot at all. So it's a little different. Come back up and over like this. I'm going to come around like this. Come back across, then I'm going to fold it down like this, bring it around like so. I'm going to come back up here, and I'm going to fold it up like this right here, and then back down like this right here. And then we're going to come across like this. Learn these from Boris Mocha. So actually, let's do that again. Like this, and like that. There we go. That's what I want it to look like. Come back down like so. There we have it. So then I'm going to come underneath this, tied like this. Fold it down like this. Come over, then just kind of tuck it underneath here. Boom, there you have the Fall Bliss. Oh, and what's up, my friends? You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll catch you in the next video.